Good day children, Sai Ram. Welcome to EVS class. Kids, today in EVS we are going to see a fresh chapter. I hope you all must have practiced the new words of this chapter. Yes? Okay. So kids, today again we'll revise all the new words one time. Okay? You all are ready? So shall we start? Let's start with the new words first. Let's see the first new word. The first word is neighborhood. 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 Next word proud. 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 Next word cleanliness. 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 Next word peace. 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 Next word garbage. 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 Next word street. 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 Next word rubbish. 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 Next word collector. 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 Next word government. 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 Next word punishment. 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 One more time. Punishment. Punishment. Next word pluck. Pluck. Next word duty. Duty. Now kids, we have revised the new words. Yes, we have revised all the new words one more time. Yes. Now let's move on to our chapter. Okay. Now kids, we have seen this new words. In this new words, there are some words like rubbish, garbage. Okay. All these words are related to something. What it is related to? Some cleanliness. Yes. So today our chapter is also related to the same. So let's move on to our chapter and see what is there in the chapter. Okay. So let's start. Now kids, a clean neighborhood makes us proud and happy. Yes or no? We enjoy the peace and cleanliness of a good neighborhood. Now kids, in our previous chapter, we have seen different places in our neighborhood. Yes? So today we are going to see how to keep our neighborhood clean. Yes, how to keep our neighborhood clean. If our neighborhood place is clean, we also feel good. Yes, we feel good. Yes or no? If there is some dirt, you would like to leave there? No, na? Yes, but if our neighborhood is clean, if our neighborhood place, the place near our building or our society is clean, we feel proud. Yes, see my society. It is very clean. Yes or no? So, today our chapter is related to this. Places which we should keep our neighborhood clean. Okay? So, let's move on to our chapter. Okay? So, the name of our chapter is Keeping Our Neighborhood Clean. What is the name of our chapter? Keeping Our Neighborhood Clean. Okay? So let's start. What is a clean and green neighborhood? We'll see. Okay, what it mean by clean and green neighborhood? Let's see. Some people throw garbage outside their homes on the street. This is not the right thing to do. We should throw rubbish in bins and give away the rubbish to the garbage collector. Yes, kids, we have seen so many people, they are eating some of the other things, snacks, okay, and the wrapper of that snacks, biscuit wrappers, they are throwing outside. Is it good? Yes, we should throw the garbage outside near a house, near the street or on the street. Is it good? No, na? Then where we should throw the garbage? Yes, nowadays in each and every areas there is one garbage collector. Yes, every morning that garbage collector is coming to a house. Yes, or he is coming in our nearby area. Yes, and what we should do? We should put all the household garbage, whatever garbage we collect in our house, whatever garbage is there in our house, what we should do? We should collect that garbage in a garbage collector or dustbin. We should collect all the garbage in a dustbin. Then we should wrap that rubbish. We should wrap that rubbish in a bag and we should give that bag to the rubbish collector or garbage collector. The person who comes to collect the garbage, we should give that garbage to that person. Okay, but we should not throw garbage here and there. Okay, we should not throw the rubbish things nearby our house. Okay, now other than this, what we should do? We should keep our neighborhood green. And how we should keep our neighborhood green? By how? Yes, we should keep our neighborhood green and not harm the plants growing there. We should not pluck the flowers in the garden. We should not walk over plants. See, sometimes when we are going to the park, over there are small plants. Yes, small plants are there. We should not stamp on that plants. Yes or no? Or we should not walk over that plants. For keeping our neighborhood clean, what we should do? We should plant more trees. Yes, and we should not harm trees. We should not cut trees and we should not pluck the flowers or leaf of that plant or trees. Okay? Yes or no? We should not cut trees. This way we can keep our neighborhood green. And what else we can do? Let's see. We should try not to cut trees. Yes, we should plant more trees in our neighborhood. It is our duty to look after our neighborhood. Yes or no? It is our duty. Yes, we are staying in that society or if we are staying in the place, so it is our responsibility. Yes, it is our responsibility to keep our neighborhood place clean or to keep our society clean. Yes, we should not throw any rubbish things outside nearby our house. We should collect all the garbage in the garbage bag and then we have to give that garbage back to the garbage or rubbish collector. Yes or no? And how we can keep our neighborhood green? By planting more trees. Yes, and we should not cut trees. We should not pluck flowers or leaf of the tree. And what else? We should not walk over the plants in the park. Yes or no? Park or garden. Yes, it is our responsibility to keep our society clean, to look after our neighborhood. Yes, so from hereafter you will also do the same. You will also throw all the garbage in the dustbin. Yes, chocolate wrapper, biscuit wrapper, yes, snacks wrapper, whatever wafers or kurkure, whatever you are eating, that wrapper you will throw it into the dustbin. Yes, good, very good. And one more important thing, kids, I want to share with you all, that is, did you know in some cities in India If we throw garbage on the road, we have to pay a fine to the government as a punishment. Yes, it's true. Kids, please keep this in mind. Whenever you're traveling, please carry a small dustbin collector bag with you all. Okay? Bean bag. It is known as dustbin bag or bean bag. Please carry that bag with you all. Okay? Why you know? Whatever things you are eating while you are traveling, please collect that garbage in that garbage bag. But don't throw anything outside. Why you know? Because government is giving punishment in the way they are collecting fine. In this way they are collecting fine from the people, which is, yes, we should give fine by throwing garbage outside. Yes, is it good? No, na? So government has set one rule that those who are throwing garbage outside, and if they seize this, what they do? They give punishment. And what punishment? They collect fine. Okay? So it is very important. Please keep this in mind. Okay, kids? This was a very small and simple chapter. Okay? So kids, please revise this chapter and please revise the new words one more time. Okay? We'll see some activity related to this chapter in next period. Okay, kids? Till then, thank you.